This is the best car wash ever.
Yeah.
Two girls in bikinis.
These aren't the hot ones. The regular day, there's about like 4 blonde girls. You know?
Blonde?
Blonde girls. Big blonde girls. I don't trust
Look at
them
that.
washing though.
So stretched up. Look at that fucking old brush.
Look at that ass. Look at that.
How much is it? It feels like expensive too.
Professional. Seems pretty good. I want to wash and try. But I don't think we're gonna have to wait that long. Look at that.
Okay. They're putting them on purpose in front of us.
Look at that. You see that butt
She's
side?
doing the car good.
Huh?
She's doing clean good.
And the guy just, he wants to be a little happy.
There's a boner. Can zoom in.
Now, once you start recording, that's it. I like the bikini and the fucking pink one.
I like the red one. Oh, both. I can't deny.
Look at that. Look how it's been going.
What about her mom looks better?
I wonder how much it's gonna be.
I should wash cars.
I think that's gonna be enough picture.